dried ingredients, we use these measuring cups. First, I'm going to show you how to measure flour. In measuring flour, we first sieve the flour so that there is no lump present in your flour. Lumps affect the accuracy of your measurement. Next, scoop the flour into the measuring cup. Let it flow. Never shake. Using a back edge of your knife, if you don't have spatula, label off the flour. So, this is your 1 cup. Take note that in measuring ingredients similar to flour, like skim milk, cornstarch, powdered milk, and other, you use same procedures. We're going to measure refined sugar or white sugar. We're going to check first if there is lump. If lump is present, you have to sift as what we did in our flour. So since there is no lump present, I have to go directly by scooping into the measuring cup. Let it overflow. So, never shake again, and then label off by scraping using the back edge of your knife. So, this is how you're going to measure 1 cup refined sugar. To measure brown sugar, first is you have to check if lump is present in your sugar. If lump is present, you can break it by using spoon or rolling pin by pressing those lump particles. Since there is no lump here, I have to scoop directly into the measuring cup. Okay, you have to compact your brown sugar. You have to compact it, and then when it is about the shape of the container, turn it upside down. When it is formed like the shape of the container, meaning you made it right. The next, we're going to measure the shortening. Example of shortening are these are solid fats or solid shortening, and oil is one example of liquid shortening. In measuring solid shortening like butter, margarine, or lard, we have to use measuring cup for dried ingredients, but once they are melted, you have to use the measuring cup for liquid ingredients. So, let's try. Since margarine is not melted, we will use the measuring cup for dried ingredients like this. First, we're going to to scoop directly the margarine into the measuring cup. So this is 1/2 cup. You have also to compact. So you have to label off also using your scooping spoon. So this is 1 cup margarine. So, in measuring the butter, you first to soften this by putting out from the ref 30 to 45 minutes before preparation. So the first one is you have to scoop the butter into your measuring cup, just like this. So you have also to compact. So this is 1/4 cup of a butter. If you don't like to measure anymore using measuring cup, if you will need 1 cup of your butter, you just use this one. This one is equivalent to 1/2 cup, and this one is almost equivalent to 1 cup. I'm going to show you how to measure liquid ingredients. In measuring liquid ingredients like a buff milk, soy sauce, fish sauce or patis, vinegar, oil, water, or any other liquid that is flowing, we use this kind of measuring cup. This is intended for measuring liquid ingredients only. The first one is you have to put this on a flat surface. Never lift it like this. So it must be on a flat surface. Then I want to measure this soy sauce. Let's say I want to measure 1/2 cup. I have to pour it like this and bend down to check if it is already on the desired measurement I want. Let's say 1/2 cup. So to check that, it should be on your eye level. So you want to bend down to check if it is already reach the gradation in your measuring cup. Let's say 1/2. So this is now 1/2 cup. Okay, take note that for sticky ingredients like ketchup, tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, it is advisable to use the measuring cup for dried ingredients, not this one, because they are sticky. So they should be compacted also, just like the shortening or other ingredients like also sugar. We are now on measuring small amount of ingredients. What are those small amount of ingredients? Okay, example of those are black pepper, baking soda, salt, baking powder, cream of tartar, vetchin or monosodium glutamate, yeast, food coloring, and any other ingredients. In measuring of this, we simply scoop the ingredients with the measuring spoon you needed. Okay, and then you have to label off using the spatula or the back edge of your knife or the top edge of the container. I'll show you how to do this. Example, I'm going to measure the black pepper. Scrape off. Then you have 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then another example, using the top edge of the container, simply like this, scoop like this, and then compact, and then scrape off using the top edge of the container. So you have 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.